Alright, out here in the backyard, I want to show you a couple of things with this 12 volt garden pond solar generator with two Trojan AGM batteries hooked up to it. Currently I have 500 watts in solar panels hooked in to this system. And I'm getting 20 frickin' amps coming in for charging power. The pond pumps only use for a load about 5 amps, 60 watts ish, right? So right now it's turned off. Solar charge controller has turned off the system, and this has been happening for the past couple of days where these batteries can't hold the load overnight. And it used to be one battery would be able to hold the load pretty much all night until the morning. Excuse me. And now I've got two batteries in there with gobs of frickin' power coming in to charge these things up, and it's switching off. So essentially what is happening is that these Trojan AGMs are dying. And I've got a Battleborn 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery coming in, but I probably won't be using that during the winter time outside. But I will get the battery in today and I'll test it out. I'll pull this into the garage and swap out the battery and get it all charged up, all that, put it back into the system and see how it runs for the next couple of weeks. This should be perfect, especially with gobs of frickin' power. You got 300 there on the fence and solar panels. Got another 100 watt, fold them up, sitting right there on the cradle, and I got that 100 watt right there. They're all paralleled into the system. And I will also use a Renogy Lithium solar charger without load output. So when the battery gets low, it won't shut off. I'll just use the BMS in the battery for the cutoff. But it'll still have a switch on there. I can turn it off manually, turn it on and off manually. But or I could rig up a DC low voltage cutoff system, but it's so late in the season, probably won't need to be doing that anyway. But yeah, well, another couple more weeks. Oh, there's a plane right up there. See it? Look at there. Very cool. Let's super zoom it. Looks like an Air Force plane. Ah! Hard to videotape airplanes in the sky. Very cool. Alright. There you have it. Just changed the filter in the pool. I still get into that.